So what exactly is the CRM Revamp? Before I dive in, my name's Elena, owner of Key Technology Solutions. I've been in the real estate industry since 2015, really been able to dive into CRM solutions, tech, and what the exact pain points, problems, and solutions are that help scale real estate businesses. Whether you're a solo agent, team, or brokerage, we are here for you. The CRM Revamp is here to support solo agents, teams, or brokerages working in primary residential real estate or commercial real estate in the United States or Canada. At the time of this recording, we offer more than 40 campaigns and automations with all of the content provided. This includes email content, text campaigns, smart lists to segment and organize who you call that automatically add and remove people depending on when you last called them, filters to help you prioritize and know exactly who to call and manage your daily workflow, training, best practices, and a cheat sheet that allows you to know exactly what your daily expectations are so that you can scale, whether you're a solo agent or you have a team that needs to scale and you need a team to adopt your CRM. All of the content of our campaigns for new leads are reply-based. What does that mean? Reply-based emails and text messages are simple, plain text emails that ask a question. There may be 1, 2, 3 sentences long that ask a question, such as, would it be helpful if we scheduled a call to discuss your goals? Or, buying a home can be overwhelming. Would it be helpful if we scheduled a call to go over your questions and your goals? The goal of the campaigns we write is to maintain a human approach during the entire life cycle of a lead, from a brand new lead all the way through the entire life cycle through beyond closing. Here's a screen share of what this looks like. New lead enters a CRM. That could be someone you meet in person through an open house, a lead generated from your website, a referral from a past client, someone in your network. Lead enters your CRM. If needed, you automatically distribute, and then the automation, aka your campaign, begins and supplements your efforts. You are then prompted to reach the lead through smart lists, and we have our multi-channel outreach that supplements your efforts through emails and text campaigns. Depending on the CRM you use, text campaigns may cost extra because texting is not included in some CRMs and you need a third-party texting provider. Then once you make connection with the lead, if they are not ready to work with you quite yet, even if you do book an appointment, if you need to nurture them, we create a 3-year nurture campaign. We do segment by client type, and we tailor our campaigns by avatar. Please note, depending on the CRM that we set up, we are in the process of building per CRM. So when I get to the below segment of the different avatars, which is constantly growing and changing, the full list may or may not be available yet for the CRM you're asking about. If at any point you need to re-engage a stale lead or a ghosted lead, win back someone, we have a re-engagement stale plan. Once someone becomes a client, then we have our active client or deals plans to keep them educated, motivated, and help calm them and understand what happens next. Now for the nurture campaigns. Here are some examples of client avatars. Again, depending on the CRM you use, we may or may not have all of these available yet, and this is constantly changing. So this is as of recording this video. We have our standard buyer and seller campaigns, plus if they need to do both at the same time, we have our combined version. Luxury buyers and sellers, land buyers, probate sellers, expireds, FSBOs, new construction buyers, investment owners who are considering selling, downsizers, and upsizers. Those are just some examples. Then once they close with you, post-closing plan for 11 years, plus if they bought with you, an anniversary with an annual touch point, and a sphere campaign that lasts for 5 years, where our goal is to turn them into a super fan. While all of this is running in the background, our goal is for you to remain grounded and understand that your day-to-day workflow in the CRM is to have a realistic daily workflow for you and or your agents within your team. Depending on the CRM you use and the CRM we set up for you, we have additional optional add-ons available for outside integrations, depending on the integrations available at the time of us working with you. So depending on the CRM, we may have integration automations available. So for example, Real Scout with Follow-Up Boss, we have automations available for that integration. Fellow, YLOBO automations, Easy Home Search automations, for example, Owner Console. Those are just some examples. We also incorporate your marketing materials in the nurture campaigns, such as your recorded YouTube videos that are educational, evergreen content. If you've recorded videos elsewhere, like on Vimeo, BombBomb, Loom, Dub, we'll incorporate those as well. If you created blog posts or other web pages, such as guides, we ask that you upload them online, and then we incorporate those as well. So what evergreen means, in case you're not familiar, evergreen means that the content is relevant no matter what is happening in the market. So we're not incorporating market updates or emails or blog posts that reference interest rates. Those types of what's happening now in the real estate market are best for newsletters or batch emails to send right now, today, but we are looking for general educational content. After we complete the build out of your CRM, then we provide you training, and our entire goal again is for you to focus on your people and the most important people in your database. So you know exactly who to call, when to call, how to call, so there's no question of what you should do in your CRM every day. Here at Geek Technology, we follow the phrase, if it didn't happen in your CRM, it didn't happen. The goal of our setup is to reduce the number of manual tasks you are assigning yourself so that they don't pile up quickly and they don't become a mess and you're spending too much time figuring out who to call. For training, we provide a number of different training options, including one-on-one implementation call, one-on-one training call, group training calls where you get 90 days access, and additional add-on of team training call if we need to train your team as well. A cheat sheet that outlines the most important things to do and expectations for you and your agents. A full breakdown of all of the campaigns and triggers in your CRM and definitions. And then finally, indefinite email support with our team without any subscription fee required. That way, if you have any questions in the future, 6 months down the road, a year, 2 years, we're available to answer questions. We do offer optional quarterly updates. Some examples of quarterly updates could be new campaigns written, updates to existing campaigns, updates to existing automations, or some boring stuff like boring updates to automation settings or smart list filters or new integration automations, for example. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then scroll to the description and you'll find a link to learn more. If you're watching this video on our website, then you can click the button to schedule a call.